Looking for a way to do dinner a little differently? Today's recipe starts with one of Howard's favorite go-to shortcuts, refrigerated pizza crust. And it just gets better from there. We're making an Italian hoagie stromboli in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If your dinner routine is getting a little too routine, then we have just the thing to mix it up. It's an overstuffed homemade Italian stromboli that'll have everybody running to the table. Come on, let me show you. It starts by unrolling a refrigerated pizza crust onto a cutting board. Now comes the fun part. We layer on some sliced ham, and that can be Italian style or whatever's on sale. Sliced pepperoni, smoked provolone cheese, and some roasted red peppers that we've drained really well. We sprinkle this with Italian seasonings and a bit of garlic powder before rolling it up jelly roll style. Then we put it on a baking sheet and finish it with some Parmesan cheese before popping it in the oven. The nice thing about this is there are no rules, so feel free to change up the meats and cheeses. When this comes out of the oven, call the troops to the table and divvy it up. Maybe have a bowl of marinara sauce for Duncan. To get the recipe for our Italian hoagie stromboli, simply use your phone, tablet, or computer to check out our website.
I love anything with pizza crust.
Me too. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, where today we found a pizza parlor way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
I'm officially very hungry right now. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.